What's up, YouTube? Back at it again with another Nike online quarantine purchase right here. I got these online. Got a great deal on them. I think I paid around 100 US. This is the Flyknit 3 VaporMax South Beach colorway. Very nice pair of shoes if you ask me. Let's just tone down the lighting here so you can get a better look at the colorway. Great colorway. Check out the StockX affiliate marketing link to buy yourself a pair in the description. The pink laces really pop. Conventional VaporMax bottoms like always. It's a great pair of shoes. We're gonna throw them on foot here in just 1 second. Let me know what you think of these in the comment section below. I happen to think they're quite nice. VaporMaxes are a good light pair of sneakers that you can wear almost all the time if you're doing anything that doesn't involve too much heavy lifting. Great walking shoe, great like everyday shoe. Let's see how they look on foot. Before we get into the on foot, I just want to show you that there's some nice gold on this tongue right here. Looks pretty fire if you ask me. Nike VaporMax FK3. The upper is Flyknit, it says something like that. Let's see how they look on foot. Here we are, we finally have them on foot. And as you can see, this is a pretty fire colorway. Like, I don't know why it's not more popular. They look especially good with joggers. All sneakers look good with joggers. And if you want a good pair of joggers, definitely check out the Amazon affiliate marketing link in the description. You can get yourself a pair of Xanarobes that will look really good with sneakers. Pretty incredible shoes if you ask me. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and check out those links in the description. I'm sure you can find a great deal on these South Beaches and a great deal on some joggers on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Goodbye.